Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Masi aka Apex Trades, and today I'm going to do another trade recap breakdown real quick. And yeah, mainly on SPY. I took two trades today, one to the upside, one to the downside. 0 out of 2 for me today. And yeah, P&L overall for the small account is 33 bucks. Yeah, so let's just get straight into it and just dive in my thought process and what went wrong and what I did right. So yeah, so coming to the day yesterday, I missed because I slept late personally. Holding myself accountable to that. We had a nice sell-off, and today we had a pre-market gap down, a very beautiful pre-market gap down, as we can see here at the structure here. And basically, my plan was around my key levels to go long or short to either side, and the levels were 444, 39, 445, 447, 440. So yeah, and I also had this trend line here drew up here, and basically, um, so the first trade that I took was right off this it was a call play. So right off of this VWAP was right here, I believe. Let me just load this up. Oh man, that looks ugly. So yeah, basically first trade here I entered here because of the VWAP hold 1 minute time frame here, and profit target. To be honest with you, um, looking back at this, um, it was 444.39, and stop loss was, I believe, stop loss was below VWAP, so right over here at 443.50. And entered one con here at 69, scaled in another at 71, took one off. I mean, not took one off. Stop loss hit, and as you can see, it hit exactly on the VWAP below 50 cents. Which I guess looking at it in hindsight, I should have just here's the should have would have, but it would have been better to hold if VWAP broke. But then again, my entry was kind of like very, it was a poor entry. That's basically it. And profit target was here. Looking back at this, there wasn't really a high risk to reward for this trade, to be honest with you. Um, I don't know why I took it, looking back, but I mean, I guess I just wanted to see the upside because I thought because a lot of people were thinking that we're gonna be bearish, right, because of this pre-market gap down, and I should have just longed here instead. The better play would have been to long here instead with the stop loss right below pre-market lows. So yeah, that would have been the initial because he would have known right away. But anyway, so next trade here was on short here right below VWAP here. Entered one con here of the first one was the 446 calls, and this one is 440 puts expiring tomorrow. Scaled one here at 54. Entered here at 54 cents, scaled another at 58, and then I reduced my position here when we had this VWAP reject, because I was like, you know what, I didn't even have the EMAs on, to be honest with you. I was just looking at price action. I was like, you know what, I don't know if we can really short this. I don't like the price action. It's like very laggy and very just not smooth, if that makes sense. And so I took one off here, and then I was like, okay, I'm waiting for this. I was up here, like not up, but I was recouping the losses from this trade pretty nicely. But then I was like, I wanted to catch the bigger move, which was the downside here, right? And held here, and then we had a reversal, and then my stop loss was right above this VWAP here. VWAP hit. I accidentally had a different position size, so I couldn't sell my original one, so I ended up like getting out right here at 44. And yeah, let me just move this here. Or actually, it's just better to do here. But yeah, and yeah, that's basically it for the day. Puts me at $33 for the day. Looking at ES and SPX, I mean, these levels in between where I have here, I should have just went off of that, to be honest with you. I don't know if it's showing or not, but I should have just gone off with these levels, to be honest with you, here and here. I just made a play off of that, but I didn't. Second trade was not actually part of my game plan, so I broke my rules of that and not following my game plan, and I paid for it. So yeah, I deserved that one. And this one overall was just also really not part of my game plan because I didn't really put it in as a game plan on whether to take this bounce off open, for this overselling here. And there isn't really any correlation explanation that I can give for ES and SPX because I mean they weren't really part of my game plan. So paid the price today, and we'll see if tomorrow brings any good opportunities. I'm gonna be very picky tomorrow, going on from tomorrow, and just so you know, overall ending the week red it's gonna be like. So first week of September. So yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Nothing too crazy, just two trades, zero attitude for me, broke my rules, and just holding myself accountable. So yeah, guys, thank you, and I'll catch you on the next one.